Hello everyone. As we all know, today we are celebrating the Labor Day here in Canada, and there is a struggle going on for the international student. So I would request everyone to join us over here at 295 Queen Street East, Bramrose Square. And right now it's 10:30 in the morning, and it's the fourth day of our struggle. So I request everyone to come and join us. And I would like to give you a little context about what our struggle is. So we came here as international students, and now we are the international workers over here, and our work permits are expiring because government didn't conduct any draws for the permanent residency in past 2.5 years. And once they started conducting the draws, they put upper caps and the lower caps. So the candidates who are more qualified in the same skills are being left behind. Their permits are expiring, so they are forced to take to buy the LMIAs or to buy another studies. So to stop that exploitation, we have started a struggle. So it's a request to everyone, please join us. It's been 4 days we are on a permanent protest, and you can see we have done our camps over here, and right now we have sent our protesters to home to freshen up, and within an hour or half hour they will be back over here. So it's a request to everyone to join this struggle on the Labor Day, because it's all about the workers' struggle. We are celebrating those who sacrificed their life to give us the rights, like the 8-hour work shift, and the 5-day work week, and everything we got because of them. That's what we are celebrating. And right now there is another struggle going for the workers, because every worker is the same. Doesn't matter if you are born and brought up here or if you are a migrant worker. Once the president of the labor unions, she came over here, and she quote this one, like, workers are workers. It doesn't matter from where you come, as long as you are investing in the economy. We are part of the economy. We are not here to destroy the economy. We are here to grow and also develop the economy over here. So please support us. Thank you.